Hey everybody, I hope you're doing good. If you were in my classroom, this is what you would be seeing. I've been keeping up with it as we go along, just like I would if we were in class and you had me in class. So we're looking at the human body systems, and you can't see over here, but I've got each one of them listed that we've gone through. And now we're on the human respiratory system, okay? The respiratory system that you're going to read about today. You'll see the little boy, and you'll see here are his lungs, here's the trachea, his nose, his mouth. The nose, sometimes you'll hear it referred to as a nasal cavity. It's just where the sinuses are. Air sacs, diaphragm. So his nose, the nose cleans, moistens, and warms the air that is inhaled. And then the mouth, the lungs. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system, and the trachea is also called the windpipe. It goes right down through here. If you've ever swallowed anything and somebody say, "Whoa, you swallowed that wrong, it's in your windpipe," you know what that is. You don't ever forget it because it is not fun. It hurts. It's painful. All right, so there's the windpipe, and here's the diaphragm. It's the muscle down below the lungs, just below the stomach, that moves up and down when you inhale and exhale. It contracts and relaxes. That's what helps us breathe. Our blood does that too. All right, so we'll start out with the nervous system, the brain function. As part of the nervous system, the brain is the control center of my body and is in charge of my memory, thoughts, decisions, and movements my body makes. It's connected to many nerves that carry signals to all parts of my body, and it tells it what to do. Right here, we have, you can't really see because I got it covered up, but this extends from the brainstem, and this is the spinal cord, all right? And then this is what the inside of the trachea looks like, and then this is the outside of the trachea, all right? And we'll start from the inside and work our way out here too, all right? So this is for the heart, okay? The heart sits behind the lungs, the heart. The heart is a muscle near the center of my chest, and it's about the size of my fist and works all day, every day, pumping blood throughout my body. It's part of the circulatory system. All right, and then there's the heart, okay? And here, these are the lungs, and here's our diaphragm. But our lungs, these are my lungs. They're in the middle of my chest behind my rib cage. My lungs help take oxygen from the air that I breathe and puts it into my blood. Then my blood carries it, which is the oxygen, to all parts of my body. Okay? And then over here on this side, you see all of these red lines and you see all of the blue lines. That's part of the nervous system, okay? Part of the nervous system. And what that is, it's part of the nervous system. So the red, remember the red are the arteries. It's the oxygen-rich blood, and it carries blood away from the heart. So A plus A, arteries, A for arteries, A for away, okay? And then here we got blue. These are the veins that run all the way throughout the body, all right? Blue for the veins, that's oxygen pour. The veins carry oxygen, the pour blood back and forth to the heart, okay? And then I have our circulatory system, our circulation of the blood through the heart here. Remember the bump, 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 bump. I had a teacher in high school. She taught 10th grade biology. Hilarious. She made it fun all the time. She was always doing cheers for us. She would sing, she would dance, whatever it took, and I am 46 years old, and let's see, I was probably 16 at the time, 30 years ago, and I still remember this. The pump, 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 that song that I showed you guys, or let you guys listen to, from Happy Days. If you've never heard of Happy Days, I know I've told you this like 10 times already. If you get your parents to play you at least one episode, it is the best ever. One of my favorites, and Andy Griffith. All right, so we've got the circulation of the heart, and then next week we're going to be looking at the digestive system, and we have a very special speaker, although, you know, it's virtual, so we'll be meeting virtually with her, but her name is Miss Sherry Mulder, and she works through Auburn University. Although I'm an Alabama fan, I still welcome her, and she's an Alabama fan too, but anyway, I like to have fun and make everything about Alabama and Auburn, just to keep it fun. She'll be here with us, and she'll be talking to us about our diet and exercise, and how important our diet and exercise is for heart health, for our digestive system, for everything, for overall health. So we have that to look forward to. After the digestive system, we are going to look at the excretory system and then the skeletal system. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a good day.